Let's look at some theater-related vocabulary. Performance. An act of staging or presenting a play, concert, or other form of entertainment. Their performance tonight was wonderful. Script. The written text of a stage play, screenplay, or broadcast. The script was badly written. Gesture. A movement of the body or limbs that expresses or emphasizes an idea or a feeling. The protagonist's gestures showed a lot of emotion. Articulation. The making of articulate sounds as in pronunciation. His articulation is very good. Setting. The background as time and place, or the action of a story or performance. The setting was very original. Actress. A woman or girl who acts especially in a play or movie or on television. The main actress was so beautiful. Sound. A particular impression obtained by hearing. The sound in the play was not so good. Climax. The point of highest dramatic interest or a major turning point in the action. I still don't know what to say about the climax. Playwright. A person who writes plays. I met the playwright last week at the premiere. Dialogue. Conversation given in a written story or play. I couldn't hear all the dialogues. Audience. A group that listens or watches as at a play or a concert. The audience was very pleased with the performance. Stage. The space or area where a performance takes place. They need a bigger stage for this show. Actor. A man or boy who acts especially in a play or film or on television. The actor who played Hamlet was brilliant. Part. An actor or actress's role in a play. Usually, the playwright gives all the parts. Plot. The main story, as of a literary work, play or film. I didn't like the plot that much. Prop. A small object such as a book, weapon, or chair used by actors in a play. We made all the props for the play. Line. The words of a part in a play. I had to learn all my lines by heart. Rehearsal. A private performance or practice session in preparation for a public appearance such as a play. We had 5 rehearsals before the big night. Exposition. The first part of a musical or a play in which the theme is presented. The exposition seemed too slow, but the rest of the play was great. Scenery. The painted scenes or hangings and accessories used on a theater stage. The scenery was all handmade. Director. The person who guides the making of a show as for stage or screen. The director didn't come to the premiere. Protagonist. The main character in the play, novel or story. The protagonist had a great part.